Are you struggling each day to try to get the right amount of protein in for your body weight and your goals, whether it's fat loss, muscle gain, or just to maintain? On this video, I'm gonna show you what I eat throughout the day to reach my protein goals and show you how easy it is for me to get there by lunchtime. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a stay-at-home dad, been doing it for over a decade. I've been working out for even longer, and I'm just here to help you get or stay fit, whatever your goals are. So let's dive right into what I eat during the day to maintain my protein goals. All right, guys, like I said, first meal is gonna be eggs with some cheese, a little bit of cooked in a little bit of butter. But on the cheese, this is 1 serving of cheese. What you do is add a little bit of water to it, rinse it before you put it on the eggs, and then it really helps the melting process. So it doesn't make it runny or anything, like just don't add too much water, but add a little bit of water there, mix it in, stick it on the eggs, and you'll see how it melts a lot better. I went with 5 egg whites. I just felt like throwing another one in there. 3 eggs, 5 egg whites. Gonna add some cheese, and that's gonna be my first meal of the day. So I thought about it. Before I eat these eggs, remember this is 5 egg whites with 3 whole eggs and 1 serving of cheese. This is what I had post-workout. The Ascent Chocolate Whey I get at Costco. 2 scoops of this put you at 50 grams of protein. This is what I had before I went to the gym. So it's just a Quest bar, 20 grams of protein, only 4 carbs. Think about it, by my first meal, before I even have lunch, I'm already at about 700 calories, 115 grams of protein, around 25 grams of fat, somewhere around there, and let's say 30 carbs. So that's all before lunch. I'm trying to hit my protein goal. I try to hit around 200 grams a day. That's my goal. Before I even have lunch, I'm already well on my way by my first meal by eating just this every single day. If you're looking for ways to get protein, I know I get questions on, I need to get more protein, so it's time to eat. Enough talking. All right, guys, it's not quite lunchtime yet, but I wanted to get another, snack in before lunch. So what I did, I have 1 serving of fat-free yogurt, 1 serving of the 4 Fruits jelly. All right, that's good stuff. And then half a serving of vanilla whey protein. I'm using Cage Muscle, so just half a serving of that. Make sure you measure everything. You have to measure everything, because if not, you're just gonna start dumping it in there and you're gonna get way too many calories. And then also put half a serving of granola just to give it a little crunch. So this is a granola we use, a protein granola. Give it a little crunch. So this is gonna put me at, this meal right here is about 255 calories, 33 grams of protein, 27 carbs, and 1 gram of fat. I have the numbers here. So I'm at 1,000 calories, almost 150 grams of protein, 56 carbs, and 29 grams of fat. And this is before lunch. If you're trying to hit your protein goals, I've already hit 150 before lunch. This is some of the meals I use to hit my protein goals. That's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to help you out. If you're struggling to hit your protein goals, then maybe give these a shot and it'll get you there. All right, guys, a little tip on the go. I take these Chomps meat sticks with me. So this one's a lemon pepper. This is a turkey stick. So if you're looking to hold off on the fat grams, try that. But this one right here, really good. They're both really good. So get you 10 grams of protein. It'll hold you over. Like I said, it's just a little snack. This one has 11 grams of protein. So real low fat, real easy to eat. Just take one along with you. It's a better option than a lot of things. Let's go. All right, guys, just got back home. I got a super quick lunch idea. Kind of ran out of time, so I keep these on deck right here. These are fully cooked chicken breast bites. I put these in a microwave for a minute 50 maybe. And sometimes I'll add some fresh lemon juice or something. Keep these right here. 0 net carb tortillas. They got different flavors. This is Sriracha Ranch. I found this is a game changer right here. Put this on the chicken. It's so good. And to get a little more protein, I'm gonna go ahead and just these Good Culture low fat cottage cheese. So check those out. That's it, guys. Under 5 minutes. Everything just heated up in the microwave. Heated up the chicken first, and then I added the chicken to the tortillas, put the Frank's sauce on there, stuck it back in the microwave for like another 20 seconds, just kind of heat these tortillas up. And that's it. That's just too easy. Under 5 minutes. Let's go. No excuses. This is the easy way to get your protein. So I'm just trying to help you out. All right, guys. So that's what I eat throughout the day, throughout the morning to get my protein goals up. I'm almost at 200 grams by lunchtime. And I get questions on how do you eat so much protein? What do you do? So I figured it'd be easy for me just to make a video. Look, this is what I eat. It's real quick, nothing special, just basic stuff. but I'm almost at 200 grams, and I'll probably have one more snack, like mid-afternoon snack, probably before dinner time, which will probably be some type of lean protein. I'm a busy parent, just like a lot of us, so I'm always looking for quick and easy meals, like those tacos I just made, those 3 tacos. That was made in under 5 minutes because I had the ingredients ready to go. I knew what I was going to make, and I knew how to make, and it tastes so good. And so there's just no excuse that, oh, I gotta go stop by this fast food place or something like that. No, you don't. Not if you keep the right snacks on you. Focus on making the best decisions possible, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you want me to make another video about something. I'll definitely do that. I'm just here to help. This is what works for me. Maybe it'll work for you. I don't know. Give it a shot, and let's go. Let's stay fit. Come on.